world's only carnivorous monkey is the tarsier, known for its very large eyes, larger than its brain. It is the only monkey species that feeds exclusively on insects and meat, not plants, and uses infrasound and nocturnal sounds for hunting and communication. This monkey is native to Southeast Asia. The only primates, that is carnivorous and feeds on insects, lizards and small birds, which is why it is called a pest of the fields, when in fact it eats real pests. Their eyes are so large that they cannot rotate them, but their necks can rotate 360 degrees to better observe their surroundings. It produces sounds that are far beyond the range of human hearing, ultrasound. They live in the forests of Southeast Asia and are endangered due to habitat loss and conflict with indigenous farmers, and efforts are underway to preserve it.